After seeing all pictures from the artist, I saw that she generally understands the requirements of the project. She skillfully used the elements to compose images such as lights and colors to convey the emotions of the characters to the audience. She also used some principles of design such as emphasis, balance, and proportion. Let us see the picture 12. You can see a girl sit on the sofa, and you would follow her eyes and put emphasis on the knife. Then you make sense that maybe she won't kill somebody, or maybe she won't kill herself. This photos is a continuous narrative. It describes a nightmare, used black and white to convey a sense of the unreal, used colorful images to convey the real life. So it is obvious that the images combine the real and unreal. In my opinion, the part one trying to tell us the girl who dreamed that her boyfriend broke up with her. Then she very sad and starts to give up herself. She eats too much food, smoke, drinking, and even want to kill herself. But when she wake up, she found that it's just a nightmare. Her boyfriend loved her very much in the truth. On the artist project part 2, there are more people in this project. The relationship between three girls is very messy. These pictures made me confused that they look sometimes they get on well with each other, and sometimes they quarrel with each other. The best picture I like is the 12 picture because it's good at using the principle of design, such as emphasis, and the 30 picture I also like it because it feel to using red to represent wealth. It's interesting to shoot smooth things to convey the things of unreal. And there are also some images maybe needing improvement in part 2, such as the 40, maybe it's too simple, and the 21. I thought that its proportion looks should be improved. Above all, I thought that the artists can add more elements and principles of design to improve the images and using more places as narrative context to enhance the narrative qualities of the images. Finally, I really enjoy the artist's amazing continuous narrative. Good job.